Hi everyone, so in this video, our trainer Jens is going to demonstrate how to perform an intramuscular injection. Jens.
Hey Ben, what we're going to do is just show you how to do an intramuscular injection. The drug we're going to be administering is a drug called glucagon. So this is for our symptomatic hypoglycemic patient. So washed hands, gloves on, that's infection control actually taken care of, but now I've got to take infection control of the patient as well. This just simulates the deltoid muscle. Clean the area. It's just the alcohol on the swab that's actually cleaning the area. Just give it a couple of seconds to actually dry. Obviously I've explained this to the patient. This is my glucagon that's actually been drawn up already. Sharps out. This is my needle, my giving needle. Explaining to the patient two methods I'm going to do. I'm actually going to spread the skin out, go at 90 degrees, go straight in, just above the skin. See if any blood aspirates back into the syringe. It does not. If it does, we've got to redo this. Just use my two-hand method. Push it back down, pull it out, sharps away, get rid of the needle, and we can actually put our little cotton wool and our band-aid over it, and we'll just assess the patient a little bit later.
Excellent. That's how to perform an intramuscular injection.
Simple.